The Cursed Manuscript, Part 1. The Typewriter. In a dusty attic of an old Victorian house, Emma discovered a vintage typewriter. Its keys were yellowed with age, and its body was adorned with intricate carvings of roses and thorns. Emma, an aspiring writer, couldn't resist. She cleaned it up, loaded it with fresh paper, and began to type. At first, nothing happened. Then, the typewriter sprang to life on its own, keys clacking furiously. When it stopped, Emma pulled out the paper. It read, "Welcome, Emma. I've been waiting for you." Her heart raced. She typed a response. "Who are you?" The typewriter replied, "I'm the story you were meant to tell. But beware, once you begin, you cannot stop."